Today we fill the blanks with suitable articles. Copper is a useful metal. He is not an honorable man. The sun shines brightly. Yesterday, a European called at my office. French is an easy language. The French defeated the Germans. Ceylon is an island. John got the best present. She is an untidy girl. He looks as stupid as an owl. Which is the longest river in India? Reena has come without an umbrella. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.